The JUJIANG C026 solar gate opener is a robust solution for single-swing gates, featuring a powerful motor capable of handling gates up to 770 pounds and 16 feet in length. This gate opener is solar-powered, ensuring reliable operation even in remote areas without electricity, thanks to its included batteries and solar panel. It is designed for versatility, accommodating gates made from steel, wood, or vinyl, and is suitable for various applications including residential and commercial settings. The system includes smart features like a safety stop and reverse mechanism and an auto-close function for enhanced security and long-term motor protection. Installation is straightforward with commonly available tools, and JUJIANG offers excellent customer support with a worry-free exchange policy and lifetime technical assistance. This gate opener is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and daily wear, offering durable performance with its waterproof and dustproof design.